Hi everyone, I am JULKA. Today in application of differentiation, we will talk about approximation using calculus. In part 1, we will talk about how to calculate square root, cube root, fifth root and the 10th root using approximation. Example first. Find square root of 36.36 using approximation. We can calculate square root of 36 straight away. But now we want to calculate the square root of 36.36. So we'll take 36.36 as x plus delta x. And we'll always assume the value of x for which we can calculate square root straight away. So x is 36 and delta x is 0.36. Now we want to find out square root. So we'll take y equals to root x. Suppose we want to calculate cube root. So we'll take y equals to cube root of x. Now increase y by delta y and x by delta x. So take first from second, we'll get delta y equals to x plus delta x in root minus root x. The value of x plus delta x is 36.36 and the value of x is 36. So root of 36.36 equals to 6 plus delta y. Now delta y equals to dy by dx into delta x. Y is given root x, so derivative of y with respect to x is 1 upon 2 root x. Now put the value of x and delta x. X is 36 and delta x is 0.36. And when we calculate, we'll get 0.36 divided by 12, which equals to 0.03. Put the value of delta y in third and we will get root 36.36 equals to 6 plus 0.03. So the square root of 36.36 is 6.03. Next example. Find cube root of 27.81 using approximation. Here we can calculate cube root of 27 straight away. So here we'll take full quotient 27.81 as x plus delta x. Here x is 27 and delta x is 0.81. Because we want to find out cube root, so we'll take y equals to x raised to the power 1 by 3. Increase y by delta y and x by delta x. So y plus delta y equals to x plus delta x whole raised to the power 1 by 3. Subtract first from second and we will get delta y equals to x plus delta x whole raised to the power 1 by 3 minus x raised to the power 1 by 3. X plus delta x is 27.81 and x is 27. And after calculation we will get 27.81 raised to the power 1 by 3 equals to 3 plus delta y. Now delta y is dy by dx into delta x. Y is given x raised to the power 1 by 3. So dy by dx is 1 by 3 x raised to the power minus 2 by 3. So it is 1 upon 3 x to the power 2 by 3. Put the value of x and delta x. And after calculation we will get 0.81 divided by 3 multiplied by cube root of 27 whole square, which equals to 0.03. Put value of delta y in third and we will get 27.81 is to the power 1 by 3 equals to 3 plus 0.03. So the cube root of 27.81 is 3.03. Next example. Find square root of 0.0037 using approximation. Because here we want to find out square root. So let y equals to root x. Question is x plus delta x, which is 0.0037. X is 0.0036. We'll take up to 4 decimal place because the root of x is 0.06 and delta x is 0.0001. Next example. Now we want to find out square root of 0.037 using approximation. Here, in the case of decimal, either we'll take quotient up to 4 decimal place or 2 decimal place. So we assume that it is 0.0370. Let y equals to root x and x plus delta x is 0.0370 and x is 0.0361 because the root of this is 0.19 and delta x is 0.0009, or we can take up to 2 decimal, x is 0.04 and delta x is minus 0.003. Next example. Find square root of 0.081 using approximation. Again, here we have 0.081 up to 3 decimal place. We'll take up to 2 decimal place. If we see up to 2 decimal place, it is 0.08. What's the nearest value of that? It is 0.09. So we'll take x as 0.09 because square root of this is 0.3 and delta x is minus 0.009. Always take up to either 4 decimal place or up to 2 decimal place in the case of square root. Next example, evaluate 3.968 raised to the power 3 by 2. Let y equals to x raised to the power 3 by 2. And the question will take x plus delta x, which is 3.968. Here we can calculate 3 by 2 power easily for 4. So x is 4 and delta x is minus 0.032. Increase x by delta x and y by delta y, and we'll get y plus delta y equals to x plus delta x whole raised to the power 3 by 2. Subtract first from second and we'll get delta y equals to x plus delta x whole raised to the power 3 by 2 minus x raised to the power 3 by 2. Put the value of x plus delta x, which is 3.968, and the value of x is 4 and whole raised to the power 3 by 2. So first we calculate square root and then we make cube of that. So 3.968 raised to the power 3 by 2 equals to 8 plus delta y. Now delta y is dy by dx into delta x. Y is given x raised to the power 3 by 2. So the derivative of this is 3 by 2 root x. Now put the value of x and delta x. X is 4 and the delta x is minus 0.032. After calculation we will get minus 0.096. Put delta y in third and we will get 3.968 raised to the power 3 by 2 equals to 8 minus 0.096, which equals to 7.904. Next example. Find fifth root of 32.16 using approximation. Let y equals to x raised to the power 1 by 5. We can calculate fifth root of 32 straight away. First we assume x plus delta x equals to 32.16 and we'll take x is 32 and remaining delta x is 0.16. Increase x by delta x and y by delta y and we'll get y plus delta y equals to x plus delta x whole raised to the power 1 by 5. Subtract first from second and we will get delta y equals to x plus delta x whole raised to the power 1 by 5 minus x raised to the power 1 by 5. Put the value of x plus delta x and x and we will get delta y equals to 32.16 raised to the power 1 by 5 minus 32 raised to the power 1 by 5. So 32.16 raised to the power 1 by 5 equals to 2 plus delta y. Now delta y is dy by dx into delta x. Y is given x raised to the power 1 by 5. So derivative of this is 1 by 5 x raised to the power 4 by 5. Now we can write x raised to the power 4 by 5 as x to the power 1 by 5 the whole power 4 and replace x by 32 and delta x by 0.16. And after calculation we will get the value of delta y equals to 0.002. Put delta y in third and we will get 32.16 raised to the power 1 by 5 equals to 2 plus 0.002. So the answer is 2.002. Last example. Find 10th root of 1.05 using approximation. Because we want to find out 10th root, so let y equals to x raised to the power 1 by 10. We'll take full quotient as x plus delta x, 1.05. We can calculate 10th root of 1 straight away, so x is 1 and the remaining part delta x is 0.05. Increase x by delta x and y by delta y and we'll get y plus delta y equals to x plus delta x whole raised to the power 1 by 10. Subtract first from second and we will get delta y equals to x plus delta x whole raised to the power 1 by 10 minus x raised to the power 1 by 10. Put x plus delta x is 1.05 and x is 1. So 1.05 raised to the power 1 by 10 equals to 1 plus delta y. Now delta y is dy by dx into delta x. Y is x raised to the power 1 by 10. So derivative of this is 1 by 10 x raised to the power 9 by 10. We can write x to the power 9 by 10 as x to the power 1 by 10 whole raised to the power 9 and replace x by 1 and delta x by 0.05 and after calculation we will get the value of delta y is 0.005. Put delta y in third and we will get 1.005 0.05 raised to the power 1 by 10 equals to 1 plus 0.005. So answer is 1.005.